10 secrets you want to know about wall decor. Those empty walls are filled with possibilities, and a few additions can make a small apartment feel cozy and stylish, instead of stark and cramped. No matter your style, there are tricks that can amp up your walls and bring out your personality and taste. Whether you're an art collector, a nature enthusiast, or a book lover, your walls can be customized so that you can be surrounded by the things you adore. Number 1. Create a gallery wall. Nothing adds personality and color quite like a gallery wall. Display a collection of art, photographs, or add wall hangings and other ephemera. Opt for simple, cohesive frames or bring in an array of ornate variations to mix things up. Number 2. Showcase fabric. A tapestry or wall hanging can add color and pattern, as well as a sense of softness to a space. Consider framing vintage scarves or other pretty textiles. Number 3. Hang mirrors. Mirrors reflect light, helping a small space to feel bigger and brighter. Try hanging an oversized mirror, or display several smaller pieces salon style. Number 4. Paint a mural. Let your walls transport you to another place by adding a mural. Whether you hand paint it or choose a wall covering, the motif will make a big impact. Number 5. Install shelves. If you've run out of floor space for bookshelves, take your collection to the wall. Install floating shelves and display hardcovers, small sculptures, and other odds and ends. Number 6. Hang plates. Why hide your fine china in the cabinet when you can show it off? Use wire plate hangers to display your favorite dishes and serving platters. Number 7. Add sculptural sconces. Sconces add an extra source of light without taking up space on the floor or a side table. Choose an eye-catching design that doubles as a wall sculpture to bring in light and style. Number 8. Bring in plants. Plants don't just have to sit on the windowsill. Try hanging or wall-mounted planters to add a bit of nature to your space and life to your walls. Number 9. Add texture with a weaving. Those 70s macrame wall hangings have come back in a big way. The weavings add texture and warm up stark walls. Shop for them on Etsy, or try your hand at making your own. Number 10. Use it as storage. Short on closet space? Why not show off your finery and create a striking and practical display? Install hooks or a pegboard and hang hats in a cluster.